Okay guys, a new vlog. We will see how far the other one goes, the previous one. But I have to start another one, check my camera, everything is rolling correct. And on Soi X-cyte here. And I'm gonna drive to Soi Buakhao now, drive a little bit around there, show you some new things. And yeah, we will see where we go. Huh? Meeting also a subscriber at the Chill-In we meet up. And I hope I'll be in time, it's not too late now. It was very busy the last days. I'm only 4 days now in Pattaya, and I met up with 5 subscribers already, so it was really fun, guys. Okay, we go to the bike vlog. Okay. I did some reviews here earlier also. I'm not gonna mention them again. Bake-n-Brew here. On the right side. Very good breakfast there. Try it out. Yeah, it's now beginning of December the 2nd. And at night time, it is very clearly to see it's getting high season. It's getting more and more busier than, let's say, October, even November. It's really kicking in now. At night time, the bars are very crowded, and it's a good thing for Pattaya. They really need a high season to cover up the rest of the year. Sometimes I don't know how they do it, but because it's only high season, yeah, December, January, and a week with Songkran in April, and that's about it. Huh? So here back on the corner with Soi Chaiyapoon, and we have here a big bite in front of us. Chaiyapoon, but we go to the right here. We've been here before, just 5 minutes ago, talking to the Indian guy. No. You can see they really don't like the camera. Huh? No. Soi Buakhao here. Yeah, see that previous vlog? I talked with that Indian guy. It's very funny. Oh, here we sit in the Climax bar last night. And also at Johnny's bar. Here on the left side. Soi Honey here on the left side. Soi Honey, not the girl. It was a honey also. Back in Freetown. I'm curious if it is growing bigger since last time. It was just starting then. I showed you around there also in a vlog, but I didn't have seen it yet back in December. Oh, here is the Chill-In on the right side. I don't know what the time is of my subscriber is there already. I can't remember how he looks like. I hope he recognizes me, but I don't think he is there yet. So I'm gonna drive a little bit around. Oh, I don't think he's there yet. Here is the market, Soi Buakhao, on the left side. It's the evening market. Here on the left. Very popular market. Here we are in the S-curve on Soi Buakhao. The aircon bars on the right and the left side. Perfect for people watching. Here we have the extra bar. I think they have a new name here. I can't remember, it was called extra bar. There's some other bars. The marquee bar. Takeaway. On the left side we have Soi New Plaza. But we're gonna do only Soi Buakhao now. So I'm gonna turn back right here because there is Pattaya Klang. It's getting too busy otherwise. Here at the end of Soi Buakhao we have some hotels here. Also the T apartments where I did a vlog on also. It's here to the left. There. Very good price, value. Okay, I'm gonna turn left here. I've never been in this Soi. Because I think it's a dead-end Soi, and if you have no reason to come here, you never go here, of course. And that's this Soi. It's in the S-curve. Some laundry shops, hairdressers, hair salon. Yeah, a lot of laundry here. So you have a look now also. Hotel here, or room for rent. Yeah, there's a Soi here on the left. Connects with another Soi there. Yeah, never been here. Interesting to see. I'm gonna go to the end here, why not? And that's the end. Oh, here's another Soi. It's really complicated here. Yeah, mostly Thai people live here. Not too far from the action, from the tourist area. Back to Soi Buakhao. Yeah, this is one of the side sois of Soi Buakhao. I covered them up already in other bike vlogs. What do you think? I know you are thinking when you're watching that. Lady massage. Here on the left. 100 baht massage. That's cheap. There is a Zottekot. It's a Dutch Belgian bar. I've never been there before. I didn't even know it was here. Maybe they moved. I'm not sure about that. It's a Belgian bar. Maybe we're gonna have a look there also. One day, but not today. Okay, left here. So let's find the chillin'. I'm getting thirsty, so we can end up this vlog. Here's the chillin'. The left side. I'm gonna find a parking spot for my motorbike. And we have a spot. I don't think it's very stable. Okay, this will do. These guys are German, so they're not my subscriber. Hey, you're Ian?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm still filming. It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Yeah.
I just finished the bike vlog.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Have you been anywhere good?
All around here. Soi Chaiyapoon, Church Road, Soi Buakhao I have done. So, what's the time now? Oh, 5. I'm good at time.
Good, yeah, you're bad man, yeah.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. This is Mike.
Yeah. Hello. Nice to meet you.
You okay there, Cindy?
Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in another bike vlog. Bye bye. Very windy here. It's kind of cold. I hope you like this vlog. It's different than the other one.